is the 2018 Ford F-150. Can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and as well as subscribe to my channel? I'm going to show you how to fold up and down the rear seats of this vehicle. As you can see, the rear seats are currently down for people can get in here and sit down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold them up and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, so I'm going to go underneath. There's actually a lever underneath. I'm going to pull this. You see it? This is the pulling lever. And when I pull it, I can scoot the seat up and it folds it into place like this. I can go right here and do the exact same thing and it folds up right here, and I'm able to put a lot of things in the back seat just right here. You can put logs or whatever, things that you don't want to put necessarily in the back of the trunk. All right, and that's how you fold up the rear seats in the Ford F-150 2018. All right, I'm going to go ahead and lay it down for you, and this for really quick, just for purposes. I'm going to take this, I'm going to pull this lever and fold that seat down. I'm going to take this lever and then fold this one down just like that. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching.